Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we got the pool bottom done, so I want to give you an update. So here is the finished bottom of the pool. Guys just wrapped it up. This took them about 2 days of work, 2 days and 5 guys the first day, 3 guys the second day to get this all done. They basically got everything on the walls, the deep end and up to most of the ramp, right to the break point, done on the first day, and the second day they finished it out on the shallow end with the lesser crew because it just didn't need as many bodies. The big takeaway from this is buy more PoolCrete than you think you need. So we started with 2 pallets. Each pallet has 50 bags, 50 40-pound bags. So we started with 100 bags, and then on the second day we proceeded to buy another pallet of 50 bags. And then that still wasn't enough, and we were short by like 3 or 4 bags. So it took 3 separate trips to get all of the material. So buy more than you think you need, especially if you can take it back. So in this case, our pool here, right, this oblong, freeform shape, 22 by 46 ish, it took us, what would that be, 150, call it 155 bags of PoolCrete to do all this. So some of the calculators might be a little off. So if you're doing this, buy more than you think you need. But overall, it turned out pretty well. We still need to let it finish setting up. We'll go in, we'll sweep it all good, and then we'll be ready for the liner. The other thing that we still need to do is put foam on the walls. So you can see here on the walls there, we duct tape all the seams. That was a step that happened since the last video. So we duct tape all the seams before we did all the PoolCrete, just because the PoolCrete would be overlapping them, because we came up basically 2 inches along the wall there, right? So I'm rambling, but next steps will be foam along the walls and then the liner. So stay tuned for that. But overall, it turned out pretty good, I think. The other thing I wanted to show you was, if you recall from previous videos, we had a problem with the ladder, and during the concrete deck pour, everything moved and the ladder was all kicked out back away from the pool and all weird. We can see now we've got set nice and pretty. So what the guys did, I'll lift up one of these discussions and show you. They basically chiseled it out enough. We did this on both sides. They chiseled it out enough to where we could move that that mount just in place there, right? Just enough to rotate it forward, and then they packed concrete in and did a finish, finished out. So actually, they left those discussions on. I'm gonna pull them off so that we can get some more sunlight to maybe dry out that concrete a little more. So that is what we have, as you can see, all right? And still access to the bolts to tighten it down. So once all that sets, I'll pull the ladder back out, but figured while it's setting and holding it in place, leaving the ladder in works out well. So, but yeah, overall it turned out pretty well. So liner will be the next step. That's all I got for you guys. Short video today. The other thing you can see there, that box, that is the liner. So when they delivered the PoolCrete, they delivered the PoolCrete on 2 pallets. And so the delivery driver had a donkey on the back of his truck to run, forklift to run everything. And so I asked him for a favor, and he was nice enough to basically move that from my shop right there for me, so that we didn't have to figure out how to do that, because we don't have a forklift here. So now it's right there. And we've had enough fair weather, right? No rain anywhere in sight for the foreseeable future. So we've left it out here, and we will get it kind of drug into the pool, drug in, rolled out, and we will be good to go. So that's all I got for you. She's turned out well. Exciting times. So as always, thank you all for watching. Please consider like, sharing, and subscribing if you like all the content I'm giving you. If you shop on Amazon, please consider using the link in the show notes to go through my Amazon affiliate link. All your purchases help support the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything extra, and I greatly appreciate it. So thank you all again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.